Good morning everyone and welcome to Celebration Assembly. As you can see, here I am today on my tropical island. I'm going to take you around the world a little bit on Celebration Assembly today, so just bear with me. But we're going to start, as we always do, in reception on our tropical island. And we're going to start with Miss Gray's class. And this is, what badge is it? It looks like it's an achievement badge and it's for Archie. Well done, Archie. And Miss Gray writes about you. Archie has been really busy doing his home learning. He's been busy counting pirates, creating brilliant maps, drawing super rainbows and people, and stamping letters. Keep up the brilliant work, Archie. Actually, Miss Gray's actually done two, so I'll read the second one in a second, just after we do Archie's clap. And Archie, we have for you a popcorn clap. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, and also in Birch class we have Brydie. And this is another achievement badge for you, Brydie. And it says here that you've been working really hard, doing some great jobs, reading and writing very kind messages. You've also been doing a super job finding doubles and halves of numbers. Well done, and it has been a pleasure teaching you in Miss Gray's bubble. Fantastic stuff. Let's see what clap we have for you. And it is a crocodile clap. Fantastic. Let's move on, and let's move to Priestfield Stadium, where Gillingham play, my favourite football team. I couldn't help, if we're going to do a tour of the Medway towns, couldn't help have a bit of one of the places I like going to every other Saturday. So here we are, and let's see what's been going on in Miss Button's class. And this is in Pear Bubble, and this is for Jessica. Another achievement badge. Very well done, Jessica. And Miss Button writes about you that you have shown great enthusiasm in all of your learning, particularly in your creative writing. And at the beginning of the week, you set yourself a challenge to write your own book. Over the course of the week, you have showed work toward this until it has been completed. Amazing. I look forward to reading it, Jessica. And let's see, Jessica, what is going to go along with your achievement badge. And it is a fairy clap. Very, very well done. I think we're going to go to Italy next. Italy, one of my favourite places to go on holiday. Obviously won't be there this year, but one of my favourite places to go. And we are going to go there with Mrs. Lana's class. And this is a teamwork badge. And this goes to Cooper. And your teacher writes about you, Cooper, that you are an all-rounder, always giving 100% in everything you do. You're always there to support others, talk through your ideas and negotiate rules in games to include everybody. Very, very good. That could easily be an empathy badge as well, Cooper. You are a delight to have in Birch class. Amazing stuff. Well done, Cooper. And let's see which clap we have for you. And it is a marshmallow clap. Very, very well done, Cooper. Okay, where should we go next? I like a bit of skiing, and so the slopes of Italy this time. And let's just see who we're going to go skiing with. And this is in Miss Smith's class, and this is for Jaxon. Very, very well done, Jaxon. And a resilience badge is on its way to you. And the reason you're getting that resilience badge is because you've been working so hard on writing your name and on your counting. You come into school every day and you write your name and you make sure you do it in your best handwriting. Absolutely, presentation of your work is so important. After working with Miss Smith on counting, you went off and did all of the counting on your own. So some independent work as well. Well done. We are all so proud of you for not giving up, even when you found it a little bit tough. That's good. We want schoolwork to be tough. We want it to be difficult so that you can do your very best. Well done, Jaxon. And I agree. And we will do for you a, let's best see, firework clap. Pew, 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 pew. Okay, we are now going to move into year 1. Okay, and I think this is from Miss Hewson's bubble. It is, and this is a resilience badge. And it's a resilience badge for Dolly. I think we're going to stay skiing for this one, Dolly. And it says here, the reason you're getting your resilience badge is because when you've returned to school, you've done so with a smile, you've adapted to your new bubble and the new people in your bubble. And we all know how desperate you've been to come back to school, and you really deserve this badge. So very, very well done. And I think it might be your first badge as well, Dolly, first of many. And let's have a see, Dolly, what clap you have got. And it is a microwave clap. Me, very well done. Let's see who else. Okay, let's see who else has a badge. This is Willow class. This is Miss Clark's team, and this is an achievement badge, and it's for Jacob. Well done, Jacob. I think, Jacob, you can join me for a round of golf. I've just started playing golf again, just after lockdown has finished, and you can join me for a very, very relaxed game of golf, Jacob. So here we are on the golf course, and let's read why you've got your achievement badge. It's because you've tried so hard recently, especially with your handwriting. Since coming back after lockdown, you've tried to do your cursive script, joining up your letters all of the time, and you're writing on smaller, thinner lines as well. You're so keen and eager to learn. You love learning about plants and sharks, and have written some fab instructions about planting a seed. Miss Clark is so proud of you, and she says that you are totally ready for year 2. It sounds like you are, Jacob. Let's see which clap is going to go along with your badge, and it is a crocodile clap. Very well done, Jacob. Okay, moving on to Mr Gentry's class next, and this is a resilience badge, one of my favourite badges of all time. You know that. We'll stay on the golf course because you need to have resilience when you're playing any sport, especially golf. And this is a resilience badge for Ava-Rose. Very well done, Ava-Rose. It says here that you've made a fantastic return to school, and you've displayed lots of bravery in joining your own new bubble. Not only have you been brave, but you haven't wasted any time getting back on with the class routines and working really hard on your learning. Well done, Ava-Rose, and keep it up. Amazing. So let's see, Ava-Rose, which clap is going to go along with this. And it is a firework clap. Pew, 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 pew. Very, very well done. Okay, Miss Foster's class next, and this is a teamwork badge in pine for Fatihah. Very well done. And it says about you here that you have been working in small team to learn how to use some of the play equipment during lunch and break times, and that you've been really helpful with the other children, that you are a great leader and a great team player. Amazing. And it's been lovely to see how well you've been playing with the other children. Very, very well done. And let's see what clap is going to go along with your teamwork badge. And it is a microwave clap again. Me. Very well done. Okay, we're now going to move into year 2 with Miss Williams' class. Where would I like to go next? I think I'd like to go back to the beach somewhere. Take me back to the beach and enjoy a little bit more sunshine. And this is in, as I said, Miss Williams' class, which is Chestnut class, and it's a teamwork badge. And this is for Elizabeth. Well done, Elizabeth. And this is because you're always so supportive of others in their learning, and you're always praising their good efforts and the good efforts of those around you. Very well done. Could be an empathy badge as well, but certainly a teamwork badge. Well done, Elizabeth. And let's see what clap we're going to put alongside that. And it is a fairy clap. Well done, Elizabeth. And finally, we're going to go into Mrs Coxedge's class. So this is Sycamore in year 2. And this is a teamwork badge again. And this is for, oh no, apologies. Sorry, it's not, it's a resilience badge. I've just realised I should read these through first really, shouldn't I, Key Stage 1? There are actually 2 badges. Okay, and the first one is a resilience badge, and this is for Melisa, and this is because every day you submit your online learning to teams, and you've been working and trying unbelievably hard, so very well done. So we'll do that one first, and we will do a marshmallow clap. Very, very well done. And staying in year 2, another teamwork badge, and this is for Maisie. And this is because you've been an amazing member of the Key Stage 1 Key Workers bubble. Miss Coxedge is very, very proud of both of you. And let's see what clap we have for Maisie. And it is a train. Choo-choo, choo-choo. So, that's it. That's the end of our Key Stage 1 celebration assembly. I hope you've enjoyed. I've seen some fantastic work again this week for children who have been in school and those of you who have been working at home. And I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon. Take care of yourselves.